TO English, learning English with videos.
Hello friends, how are you? Today I've come to the farm to take care of the animals. Come with me and we will learn the names of the farm animals in English. Here is the hen or chicken, which lays the eggs. Next to her is the rooster that crows at sunrise. And the children are called the chicks. Here we have cows, pigs, and sheep. They give wool for clothes. Here in the field are the horses. The female horse is called the mare. And this is the donkey. The ducks are in the pond. And this one with such a beautiful tail is the peacock. I love the animals. Let's go over them again. The hen, the rooster, the chicken or chick, the cow, the pig, the sheep, the horse, the mare, the donkey, the duck, the peacock. Well, friends, I hope you have learned animal vocabulary in English, and remember that we have to take good care of them. See you soon!
TO English, learning English with videos.